Hey guys, welcome back to another YouTube channel. It's Carter and Fireball, and today is just another day. Well, I got my friend here, Grayson, and we're just riding. And hold up, let me turn this. But it's raining, horses are wet, but we're still gonna long trot him and have some fun. But yeah, I don't have the GoPro today, so I think all we're gonna do is just Grayson's gonna video me from the outside of the pasture. So yeah, that's probably what we're gonna do today. But nothing crazy, just a normal video. Not doing nothing crazy. But yeah, like, subscribe, and have a good day. And yeah. But right here, we're just walking around, not doing too much. And yeah, well, I didn't even have my real saddle on because that's why it doesn't look the best. But, yeah, well, I had my saddle. It's like my old saddle I used to use. But sorry about that horse. It was in the way of my friend was video. Next time, I promise I'll get the GoPro out. But yeah, I'm just riding around, walking around, getting warmed up. But yep. It's my first time doing this. I don't really know what to talk about. But if you go to if you scroll back a little sec, or we'll walk over to it again, the first barrel is terrible. But, and then here I'm just trotting, and then I stop turn him around. Yep, get him in a nice canter. But yeah, but look at the first barrel, it's terrible. It's like you can't even see it. Yeah, I gotta mow the lawn. Sorry about that horse in the way. But I promise to get my GoPro next time. And yeah, that's not even really my saddle. It's my old saddle I used to use a long time ago when I just started riding. And then I got a new saddle because that was like a slick seat. But I don't want to use that one because it would get like, I don't know, dirty and stuff. But the sun's coming out and he's being a good boy. So yeah. But he's laying a poop, I think. Yep. Sorry, it's keep cut. Oh my god. But yeah, I think I go to the back, but I think we have another clip of me just going to ride around. I don't know, maybe. Yeah, we do. But yeah, Worlds. I think I was talking about Worlds or States. I got cut off, but yeah, States was fun, but I didn't video it because I don't know. But I think Worlds, I'm bringing a bunch of like t-shirts and hats and merch and stuff. But yeah, and hopefully I can just like set up somewhere, do that for a couple days, make some money. But yeah, that would be cool. I hope my subscribers and stuff. But yeah, I really hope we could do that. I don't know if we have to like pay for a booth or something, but yeah, I'm excited. But I promise I'll video all of the stuff I can video in Worlds, hanging out with my friends and feeding Fireball and stuff. But yeah, so yeah, like, subscribe, all that stuff. And yeah, thanks for watching and have a good day. Jesus loves you.